Okay, so what to do next? Just hop, bop, 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 bop. It's me, Step. Oh, Earl Stepper. It's me, Step. Oh, Earl Stepper. Hello. It's me, Step here. Okay, so this is my paper. Okay, so let's go to his face. Hop and hop. Woo, look, it's right here. It's right color. But what is coloring? Just right here. It's coloring. Okay, so here's right here, and it's me here. Draw me. Me? It's interesting. How many cars? Lots of cars. Maybe here. Okay, so I'm gonna first with this one. Pew, 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 pew. This is letter C. And I here draft this one. It's correct? Yes, of course. What? I just forgot this, guys. And draft this here. This was it? Of course. And read bitches. It's more. So here's draft sky. Pop. It's just sky. Sky. Okay, so drops sky here. Bim bim. This right here. It's correct? Yes, of course. It's me, Stepper. It's right here is perfect. Okay, so action made that over here. Okay, so what to do next?